Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of shopping. So I'm currently in Haverty's, and I've mentioned this before to you guys. If you're ever in Haverty's, check out their clearance room. There's always some really nice treats back there. Not every store has one, but I know that I went to the one in Jacksonville and the one in Savannah definitely has one. So if you get the opportunity, just check yours to see. Right now, I'm just looking for some decor for a bookcase and also some mirrors or some wall art, anything that I can find. While I was in there, I came across some really nice mirrors. One of the projects that I'm working on is doing like a bathroom refresh. So I was looking for mirrors that were pretty reasonable, and these were. They were marked at $100 with an extra 20% off, which was really great. I love the trimming and the finish on it. I did submit images to a client. She liked it also. Those two mirrors were purchased and finish doing some shopping around the store, and then I will be back. Boxes probably look really familiar because I actually use it at a client's home, and I myself just fell in love with it. So I am back to pick these up to recreate a look for my bookcase. I'm really excited. All right, you guys, I want you guys to see some wall art because this one here is really nice, and it is $2.99. I think it's worth it personally. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking about my mirrors, but this one here is really nice, and that's, I think it says 300. I don't have my glasses on, but this is really pretty. I really like this a lot. Really quickly, I just want to show you guys, like, for my master bedroom, I'm looking for something that's going to be this big. I know a lot of you guys are like, I don't have anything on the wall. That's because I'm not looking to put like a lot of knickknacks. I really want something that's going to be large and substantial. If you're new to my channel, my master bedroom is 26 by 17. So I just feel like it's good to go big or go home. All right, very similar to when I went to Bassett, you guys, if you're looking for a bed, I actually like Haverty's upholstered bed. Are any of your fabrics Sunbrella or Krypton or anything like that? Some sort of stain protectant?
These are all going to be polyester for this.
Okay.
We do have some Sunbrella and some Krypton fabric. This is the same company. I might be able to still put that same fabric on it.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
I can check that for you.
So, the fabric that I'm speaking about, you guys, it actually helps to protect from like staining and easy cleanup. You know, if you have kids or yourself or whatever, if you're that person that like eats in your room or whatever, but you know, you can pick whatever color. You don't have to necessarily go with these colors, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Oh, you guys, here goes the mirror. I was like, this is really nice. This looks like, it's actually a little bit bigger than the one that I have in my dining, and it's probably a little heavier because mine is pretty hollow. And this one here is listed at it looks like $3.59, but I can't really see. I don't have my glasses on. Okay. He's checking now.
$359.99.
It's $3.59. Okay, it's $3.59. It's $3.59. And you guys, the mirror is gorgeous. Like I said, even if you feel like, you know, the furniture may not necessarily be like your thing, they definitely have accessories that would fit in a home also. I am now in Home Goods, and what I did was I looked around first before I ever even cut the camera on, so now I can actually come and tell y'all what I saw, right? So I just put these two together. One was here, the other one was over yonder. And I really love this. This is really pretty. Something else that I spy was this little pyramid with the little gold on it. It's a wood tone. It's wood, and it also has metal tone on it, which I thought was really nice and different. Like, I like using things like this, you know, it's different. Probably no one would grab it, but I really do love it. And now you can use it as a bookend or whatever. So I do love it. I love the look of it. It looks really good. And then I noticed this one here. I really love it. I think it's just different. I like it. These right here are really popular right now. I think I saw someone on Instagram who had an entire shelving of them, and I was like, okay, a little too much for my taste, but it worked for her space most definitely. The glasses, you guys, almost everyone's seen those. I think they're just good little, they're good for layering. Oh my gosh, you guys, these mirrors are gorgeous. It's from Rachel Roy. This is really nice, and it is large, and it's only $129. I really, really love this. It is beautiful. Like, I really love this, and it's so crazy. Just don't listen to me, but I would put this in my bathroom. Let me just show you really quickly. It has a square frame, and then it's round in the middle, which is really, really nice. So you get a small mirror, but the illusion of a really large piece. So I love this. I really love this, you guys. And then I love this silver one here. I am back home, you guys. So I ended up going with this vase. I thought it was really pretty. I love the stripes on it, almost kind of scallops around it, and it's a little raised if you kind of look, but it's only on certain points that is as deep. The rest of them are pretty subtle. So I grabbed this to go on my coffee table, just in case if you was wondering what my coffee table looks like. I have my horse, and that's from HomeGoods also. American Signature has one too, but I think the one from American Signature I put upstairs, and I got the dark one for down here. I just wanted to create like a real moody type of atmosphere down here, so I got that one. And then I picked up another floral arrangement. Why? Because the other one that I had previously, I went on ahead and I put that into the pantry. So you're gonna see this flower around, just cause I think it's $29 from HomeGoods, so it was just really good. And I have it with 3 books underneath. I may do a coffee table styling, but to me I don't think it's that difficult. I think it's very personal to what you want on there is what you put on it. So that's that. A few of you guys were wondering what I was gonna do with the bench from Bernhardt. I just put it right here, and I'm working on my throw, y'all. I'm working on my throw. So when I do the throw, that one here is gonna be gone. I'm gonna put it right here, and then what I'm gonna do is have a basket here and just have some extra like really pretty pillows and kind of cascading down right here. And that's that. I also went on ahead and I picked up 1 Lazy Susan, 2 Lazy Susans, and this corner caddy right here. I thought it was just really cute. Well, I guess it's called corner shelf. Thought it was just really cute. It's gray, so I'm gonna put that into the pantry. And then of course, if you guys been here long enough, you know I'm all about getting washcloths. I try to buy new washcloths, I would say every 2-3 months, just cause you know I'm a bit of a germaphobe, something, you know, touching your body. It's just good to change it out. So that's that. I have one more. Jess, you gave me the other one? And then I have this one here, which is the under sink tray. Pretty much it extends, so if you look right here, you'll see the split. You'll see the split right here. So I'm gonna put this under the kitchen sink. I think I told you guys a video back that I was working on my organization and stuff. I also picked this up from Haverty's. I have 2. The other one I have to go pick it up, so I'm gonna go get that. I'm not sure when, but I'm gonna go pick it up. But oh, it's so lovely. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's so pretty. You are going to be so excited. Well, maybe not. But I just added an array of essential oils into my little caddy in my organization closet, which I love. It came in the mail 2 days ago, and I have everything tangerine. Touch the thing right there with tangerine inside. Touch it. Oh. So I have tangerine. I have tea tree, eucalyptus, just to name a few of them, lavender, clove, citronella, jasmine, orange. The only one that I'm missing is like almond, cinnamon, and all that, whatever. But I am so excited, you guys. Look at my oils. If you're interested in these essential oils, I will leave the link down below. That way you can get them. I want to say they were $34 for the set, which was really, really amazing. So I'm really happy about it. And my closet is still clean. Everything is still together. Everything is still organized. We're almost hitting a month. We're almost hitting a month from beginning to end of this whole like closet here. So it's holding up pretty good, you guys. Holding up pretty good. Yes, I also got this new candlestick. It's so pretty. I thought it was gonna fit in here. Clearly I didn't measure it, but I was hoping that it was gonna fit inside this little box so that way I could open it. I have one hand, so it's gonna be harder. See, my plan was to open it and just have my little candlesticks in here, but I didn't measure everything, you guys. I mean everything. Don't even think about it twice. Just measure everything. So that's my new little lighter. I'm gonna have to put it behind it so the boys don't see it and grab it and decide to burn my furniture in the house down. Anyway, you guys have a really good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.